Hey guys, Dale with Old School Rides. I'm out on another adventure, picking up another car in California. I saved you guys a little bit of agony of me loading another car on a trailer with a winch, but to walk you around it a little bit here and show you what we got, and then we'll go into some details when we get her back home. Here it is in all of its glory, a 1963 Plymouth Fury station wagon. And this thing is a survivor. It's in really, really good shape. I'll back up a little bit and show it to you here. I just wanted you to take a quick peek at it before we got it all the way home. Went up on the trailer nice because it drove on the trailer. That's my favorite kind. And we'll get a little more details with it when we get her home. And I have to say, this is a really clean survivor. So here we are back in Phoenix. We've got the car off. Super neat little car. Great color, you know, it's all there. Roof rack on top, awesome roof rack. Door panels, look at this car. One owner, I believe, old man had it. He'd been doing some work to it. Ended up passing away. I bought it out of California. Look at that headliner. Just beautiful, beautiful headliner. There's the dash. This is great. It's got push button. It's in neutral. Here's the park. And it's kind of got double redundancy with a parking brake for the foot too. So park on the transmission, park on the floor, and it says 118,000 miles roughly. Radio in it. Carpet's nice. Just back seat, oh my gosh, just door panels. This was a cute car. Not a lot of value more than what I paid for it, but I just liked the vehicle and I thought it'd be a fun runner. And I've got some poly stuff that I want to put on the engine. It is running right now. We just drove it off the trailer. Got a little power steering leg, I think, from Ron, or oil leak right there. I'll fix that. But 318 poly, 2-barrel. The old guy put a radiator on it, and we did end up putting a brake cylinder on it before we drove it on the trailer, and a wheel cylinder in the back. Probably due for some oil change and some other fluids. But I want you guys to make sure you know that when these cars are picked up and people say, "Oh, we found a barn find," dude, they're prepping them before they get them ready to go. There's always something more than just put a battery in, put some gas in, prime it, and start it. All these cars, when they sit like this, if they don't change the oil and do a little prep, then they're not doing the car any justice, and they're lying to you that they're not doing those things, because nobody just jumps in one and fires it up. And we had to put air in a tire and some things like that. But and the carburetor is actually a replacement one that we had, but it's not running real well. So I don't know. I'm gonna put some different carburation on it, but anyway, great car. Thought you guys would enjoy this, and we'll see you on the next round. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm getting ready to take off. We're gonna leave this one here. Again, this is we're gonna get some brake work done on it and some stuff like that. Just simple. A power steering hose. I got it at a brake shop here, Brakes Plus, in like Avondale, Arizona. Again, like I said, you guys, there's lots of little things that need to be done. These things, sometimes we do them, sometimes we do what we can on the trip, and then sometimes I just have somebody else do the little jinky stuff that we don't want to piddle with, so we can just have more fun with them. Hey guys, I'm over here picking up a couple of my little wagons. Remember that blue one we picked up? Look at this thing. Nice car. It actually didn't take very much. We threw a brake cylinder on it, or a master cylinder, and battery in it, cleaned up some gas, and dude, this thing fires up and runs. The one that obviously it's missing its hood ornament now, and the darn antenna. But the reason for that is because if you look back in the back over there, look what's coming up. This is my red one, and I needed that hood ornament, and I need that antenna. Normally I don't like to part a car out, but Got my red one running here, and little poly motor in that guy. Got my cop car wheels on it with some different caps, and look at that thing purring. I'm gonna drive these guys home here in a second. So just doing some little details. We knocked a few dents out of the car. The red one, we were trying to get it prettier. It rained on us, darn it. We got they're all dusty. I'm gonna get them washed up. I'll take some more pictures. But you know, took most of the major dents out a little bit, but left it in its red patina, and just walking around it here. Fun project, but Poly 318 automatic runs great. I'm gonna swing back over to this other guy. I don't know if you remember or not, this one didn't have a grill. We threw a grill and some bezels and headlights. So actually, we found a couple of the doors in the car, but you know, it's all set up. But now we got two of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with two. We're gonna get these over to the house. Like I said, we just picked them up. My buddy Chris over here works on this stuff, and he's taking off without me there. Look at that. He's driving the other one because it's got a little bit of carburetor issue. He said we got to put a carburetor on it probably, but other than that, it seems to be running good. Look at his go, man. Well, we can get our Volkswagen out of the way, but looks like it's gonna be definitely a hot day today. I think I'm melting in the car. Somebody turned my air conditioning on. Well, we got a window down. Let's hope we got enough gas in these little guys. Speedometer's working. Woohoo! Here we go. That thing sits up in the air like a stink bug. Definitely, he's got some big old springs on it. I redid all the suspension on this thing, and got some good brakes on it and stuff. This will be a fun little driver. It's definitely a clean car. Man, he's just cooking along. Somebody put a later model 318 in that one, but it's I haven't crawled under it enough to see which transmission it is. I believe it's still the cable shift tranny, which is kind of cool in these later cars. You know, like 2, 3, 4. They didn't have like the extended crank in them, so you had a normal 727 that you could hook up to the later model motors, which was kind of nice. But well, this is definitely going to be a fun little ride here. My maiden voyage. Woohoo! So look how clean these interior and door and stuff is. I definitely got to clean this car up again. But, I did got the mirror. You know, this one was just missing little teeny things and needed some love. Definitely enjoying driving it. We need some better weather here, though. Oh, hit that big speed bump there. Yeah, it's too hot to drive these cars without air. Either that or I'm getting old. Who knows? Fun little drive here, though, getting back to the house. I hope you guys like what we're doing here. I'm definitely a fan of all Mopars, but we got a little bit of everything. We're gonna go this weekend and pick up a Thunderbird with a 428 in it. I just couldn't resist. It'll be a kind of a fun car. You know, the old 428s were one of my favorite motors, and I don't know what we're gonna put it in. We'll find something, or maybe keep the Thunderbird going. Yeah, I haven't seen it yet. Supposedly it's a 54,000 mile car. But here we are down the alley. got some dirt coming up under him. We live in these 2-acre neighborhoods out here, which are kind of nice. That you can keep your cars in the backyard or in your neighborhood, and nobody really bothers you. Peaceful. No homeowners association, that's for dang sure. Well, here we go, guys. We're gonna get her parked, and I'll take a few more pictures, and we'll call it good. Well, guys, here they are in all their beauty. Both of them running now. You guys saw this one in the first video that we had with the little dune buggy. Super cool little car. Like I said, it was complete. Missing a few things, you know. We got a grill and some headlights and some things for it, but we still need to get an air cleaner. But look how clean it is under this hood. A little late model 318 in it. Nice radiator. This car was really in pretty good shape. The tires were still in good shape, and you know, we got to do a little something with the seat, and we still got a few extra parts and stuff that we found, but it's a pretty decent project. Don't know what we're gonna do with her yet, but we got her running and driving and moving under her own power. We can take her on little trips and take her to a little local car show. We might have to get some plates and some insurance, but there she is. And we'll switch over to this one. You guys take a look at that. We got a cool little part. There's the hood ornament that I switched off the blue one, and look at 318 poly. Looks just like it's supposed to be. Does have aluminum radiator on it. We got power booster on this guy now, dual reservoir. This car does have all brand new suspension underneath, brand new shocks. This one's ready to cruise like for a little longer distance probably. Shut that down. You know, we've got the police car wheels on it with some spinners put on the caps, and you know, this car came out really nice. I'm super excited. It's got its little roof rack on it, and it's gonna be a fun one. This one you can drive around and go to a little car show. It's got good patina, and be just a fun one to drive. I mean, the interior, remember when we showed you on this, was really nice. But headliners, oh, it's coming down a little bit. I'm gonna have to do a little touch up, but fun car, great cars. You guys like what we're doing here? Subscribe. Old School Rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next project. Take care.